Remember that time you asked for just a trim at the hairdresser's and walked out looking like you joined a punk rock band? Hilarious in retrospect, right? But what about when miscommunication throws a wrench into your day? We've all been there, lost in translation, feeling like we're speaking different languages. But what if I told you there's a way to make communication fun, effective, and even hilarious? Enter the wonderful world of nonviolent communication, NVC. No, it's not about miming your feelings with sock puppets, although that's an idea. NVC is a powerful tool that helps us connect with others on a deeper level, express ourselves authentically, and build stronger relationships. And the best part, it's easier than you think. So buckle up, Buttercup. We're about to embark on a hilarious journey to master the art of communication, where laughter is the best medicine, and awkward misunderstandings become a thing of the past. Let's face it, communicating effectively can feel like trying to assemble furniture with instructions in Swedish. We think we're saying one thing, but the message received is a whole other IKEA bookshelf. The core of NVC is simple. Observe without judgment. Identify your feelings, understand your needs, and express them clearly and respectfully. Sounds straightforward, right? Think of it like this. Imagine you're a detective, except instead of solving crimes, you're solving communication mysteries. When someone says something that rubs you the wrong way, put on your detective hat and ask yourself, what's really going on here? Are they stressed, tired, hangry? Once you understand their underlying needs, you can respond with empathy and compassion rather than defensiveness or anger. Now that we're expert communicators, let's talk about expressing ourselves. NVC encourages using I statements to express our feelings and needs without blaming or criticizing others. It's like saying, hey, this is how I feel, and this is what I need, instead of, you always do this. Cue dramatic eye roll. For example, instead of saying, you never listen to me, try, I feel ignored when I don't feel heard. Would it be okay for you to put down your phone and pay attention to me when I am talking to you? Remember the 4 parts of NVC: observation, the fact with no judgment, the feeling, just I feel this or that, the need that you have that is being unmet, and a request, not a demand, for how to change it, for example. When you are on your phone while I am trying to talk to you, I feel ignored. I need to feel that you care what I have to say. So would it be possible for you to not be on your phone when we are having a conversation? See the difference? It's like magic, but with fewer rabbits and top hats. Remember, clear and honest communication is key, but it doesn't have to be dry and boring. Injecting humor and lightness into your conversations can go a long way in creating a more positive and enjoyable experience for everyone involved. Section 4. Listening. It's not just waiting for your turn to talk. Congratulations, you're now a pro at expressing yourself. But hold your horses, cowboy. Communication is a two-way street. Effective listening is just as important as expressing yourself clearly. Think of it like playing catch with a friend. You throw the ball, they catch it, they throw it back. Simple, right? But how often do we drop the ball when it comes to listening? We interrupt, we get distracted by our phones, or we just wait for our turn to talk instead of truly hearing what the other person is saying. Active listening means paying attention to both the words being spoken and the non-verbal cues, like body language and tone of voice. It's about being present in the moment and giving the speaker your undivided attention. No multitasking allowed. Section 5. Conflict? No problem. Let's face it, conflicts are a part of life, like taxes and the Kardashians. But with NVC, you can transform those conflicts from explosive arguments into opportunities for growth and understanding. Remember, the goal in conflict is not to win, but to find a solution that works for everyone involved. It's about collaborating, not competing. When you approach conflict with empathy and a willingness to understand the other person's perspective, you can turn a potential communication disaster into a bonding experience. So the next time you find yourself in a disagreement, take a deep breath, channel your inner NVC ninja, and remember, it's not about being right or wrong. It's about finding a solution that works for everyone. Section 6. Congrats, you're now a communication wizard. Congratulations, my friend. You've reached the end of our whirlwind tour of nonviolent communication, and let me tell you, you've earned your communication wings. You're now equipped with the skills to navigate even the trickiest conversations with grace, humor, and a dash of pizzazz. Remember, effective communication is like a good dance. It takes 2 to tango. So go forth and communicate with confidence, knowing that you have the power to build stronger relationships, resolve conflicts peacefully, and maybe even share a few laughs along the way. But most importantly, remember to have fun with it. After all, life's too short for boring conversations and communication mishaps.